If you've got aphids on your plants right now and you want them gone today, not next week, here's one trick that actually works and will literally blow them away.
Right on. Right on.
This isn't going to require any expensive sprays or a trip to your garden centre and will save you money. Aphids multiply insanely fast. If you wait, they won't just damage your plants, they'll invite ants, weaken new growth and spread disease. The mistake many gardeners make is jumping in straight for the chemicals when the fastest solution is much easier. The most effective thing you can do right now, this instant, is a strong blast of water. Literally a hose or even a spray bottle on a firm setting. Aphids are soft-bodied insects. They cling to plants, but they're terrible getting back on once they've been knocked off. A direct spray removes them straight away, giving instant relief to your plants without poisoning beneficial insects or stressing the plant out. Here's how to make it work. Blast under the leaves, not just on the tops. Focus on new growth and flower buds where aphids like to hide. Do this in the morning so that the plants get to dry quickly. One treatment will literally blast away your aphid problem, and in a couple of days, you can just repeat the process again. If your aphids keep coming back, that's usually a sign of soft, nitrogen-heavy growth. So ease up on the fertilizer and keep an eye out for ants. They farm aphids like cows. You might need to sort out that ant problem first. That's going to help you tackle those aphids. And if you need help with that, then make sure you watch these videos what have just popped up now. Blasting aphids off with a hose is simple, free, and it works right now. If you want no-nonsense plant tips like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss a single upload. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.